A third logistical problem had less to do with America and more to do with Britain, and that is that the British found it extremely difficult to raise troops to fight this war. First of all, just fighting in a faraway overseas war would not have been popular in and of itself. Add to this the fact that there were some potential soldiers who would not have been that enthusiastic about attacking British colonists, and you end up with a serious problem enlisting men and raising a large enough force for this war. As a result, the British ended up hiring a large number of German mercenary troops from a number of different independent German states, and they ended up getting lumped under the heading Hessian. That's sort of how we know them as Hessians. And this practice in and of itself enraged Americans all the more because it suggested to them that the British were hiring what they would have considered to be foreign assassins to kill their own colonists.